Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this Panasonic close curves ladies shave. Come on here girls, welcome to the video. This is your place where you're supposed to be.
Yeah, great.
But before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now. I see that you still not subscribe. So guys, here they say that wet and dry hair removable system, which is mean you can use it in wet and dry. Not mean wet you are under shower. No, you're gonna screw the machine. I mean if you put powder on your leg for babies, or if your leg is wet, I mean you're sweating or it doesn't matter, you got me? Here they said that 3 folding stainless steel system. This is because it have 3 shavers way. Okay, bob up terms quickly. This is the bottom. I'm gonna show you for what. And they say fully easy cleaning underwater, blah blah blah, and the chargeable duct station. This is I not recommended. Okay, you listen. I not advise you to always wash it underwater. You got me? It's in the end it's gonna screwed up, got rust and stuff like that. Even if it's stainless steel, trust me. Just clean it with the brush it came with, and that's all. 20 minutes cordless operation, wet and dry, blah blah blah. Sure, it's made in China because Osaka, Japan. Guys, how's bullshit? See, this is a Panasonic bullshit, you know. Panasonic operation, Osaka, Japan, which is supposed to be made in Japan, made in China. So what is Osaka, Japan doing here? I can't understand. Anyone tell me? You wish to have this sexy, sympathetic legs? Follow me, babies. Follow me. I'm gonna make from you lady. My hair is close curve. Okay, we talk too much. Let's unbox this bed. Girl, night door. Here they have the catalog, blah blah blah, which is we don't need it. Here we have the duct station. I'm gonna explain you how to use it. Here we have the machine. I'm gonna tell you also how to use it. And we have here the brush, which is both sides. Okay. This is bag for travel or stuff like that, you know. Cool, nice gift from Panasonic. I'm not gonna say something. Okay. Listen, now you press the button. Okay, let me move the cover. Now I press the button. Oh shit, it's really shaving. Shit. Okay. Now, if you wanna grab this one, girls, here they say that turn me up. See, I don't know. As for men, we need it. Okay, we need this thing for shaving, you know, in faces, in chin, and blah blah blah. But for female, why do you need this? Mr. Bean. I really not understand. Why do you need it? See guys, my hair. What the hell I just done? Okay, and here you have also the same one as blade, you know, see? Let me make it closer. I don't know why the camera can't blurry. This is fucking iPhone 13 Pro Max rubbish. You see guys? I don't know. What I really don't like in this shaver, there's only one thing. This duct station, you know. So stupid way to charge it, you know. You do it like this way. Wait, I'm gonna show you. You do it like this. I don't know how. Yeah. See guys, now it's like this way, okay? You put it like this way. You got me? And then you put it in socket. And it's keep lightening red. Okay, it's supposed to be red. When is the battery full, it's become green bottom. No, it's red and still red. You keep it 7 hours, 6 hours, still red, still the charger hot, this duct station. You don't understand really. It's full charge, it's not full charge. This is so stupid from Panasonic. They never create something perfect, this company. I know them. What is this duct station? It's so stupid way. You have to put it in socket and put this one up of it. It's not even comfortable to make it come after 7 hours. This battery, this lamp is still lightening, you know, this lamp is still lightening red. Why it's not turn off to show me that battery is full, or it's become green color, and you touch the dock station, it's still hot even after 7 hours. So what is this? This is stupid from Panasonic. This is the only issue that I don't like, to be honest with you. Otherwise, it's not bad machine, you know. It's not heavy, it's soft, and you can use it if you are wet. You got me? This is the point. Here you open like this, you got me, and you clean by brush. Here, you clean all this, and you clean here also. You got me? You clean here. Okay, guys, I was just joking with you about this hair and stuff like that. This machine is cost like $90, okay? I'm not gonna say that this is the best in the market because there is Brown, Philips and stuff, huge sharks like this. But I don't know anyone that tried these machines, okay? I have 3 girls that they tried this machine and they tell me that it's really great. So they recommended for me. I said, let me do videos. I never do videos for ladies. All my stuff is almost for men. So I said to myself, ladies have parts also in this life. So, but for $90, it's really shaving so nice. I mean, the girls tell me it's amazing result. So you don't hesitate and you can try it, okay? So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video, and share this video as well with any hairy girl that you want to get rid of her monkey legs, get rid of her hair. And I'll see another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.